Bodie, still on guard. Yes, it is the next morning. And we are here for the unveiling. Okay, hopefully this thing stays still. What could it possibly have been on the kettle grill yesterday? Let's see. That Bodie was so protective of. I think you can probably guess what it is. The old hickories. These things stay so sharp. Just gotta touch them up every now and again. Wow. That's a USDA prime brisket there. Boy, they really cooked down. I smoked this yesterday with apple and hickory for 14 hours. Wrapped it, let it rest overnight. Fired up the oven this morning to 140 degrees and let it warm back up. It was still slightly warm to the touch, but as you can see, that's rising off of it. Let's see what, okay, I'm guessing that this is about the point part. Wow. I think I might have dried it out a little bit, people. I don't know. I think I may have dried it out a little bit. Oh, we're losing the juice. We're losing the juice. We can't lose the juice. We like it a juice. Let's see. Does it do the drink? Yeah. I don't know. Let's see. This is point, I'm guessing. Well, that piece just melted on the tongue. See, does it get a good... Okay. Okay. On the point, I have done better, but that is really, really good. Let's see how this does. This is the flat part. Yeah, I think I may have dried it out just a tad. I bet you this will make really good sandwiches. Does it pull? Do we get a... Yeah, it just kind of pulls apart. A little dry. Still really good though. I guarantee you Bodie approves. Bodie boy. Oh boy. Good? Yeah. That's a pretty damn tasty brisket, if I do say so myself. I think this will make fantastic sandwiches. I use Weber's mustard as a binder, salt and pepper. Coarse kosher salt, coarse black pepper. A very good brisket. Again, not the best I've ever done, but for breakfast on a Sunday morning, I don't know. Let me know down in the comments what you think of my brisket. Yes, I kind of dried it out just a little bit, unfortunately, but it's still very, very good. Still very good. That's a pretty big slab. I bet you this make a fantastic sandwich. Let me know down in the comments. Bodie, want another piece? Bet you do. You found the juice on the ground, didn't you? Sit. Bodie, sit. Good boy. There you go, mister. Well, I'm going to finish my breakfast. I gotta go and get another cup of coffee. Ciao for now. PLR. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Much appreciated. I'm up to 121 subscribers. Last I checked. Oh, we'll see you this morning. Damn, this is good. Ciao. Oh, you gotta be kidding. Man, that was awful. All that work. Come on. All that work. That was out of focus. Damn it. Sorry, people. I'll do better next time, I promise.